What is up, YouTube? Hey, long time since the last video, but I wanted to make a quick video here real quick. I got a couple things going on today. First off, we are at Safelite Auto Glass. I hit a rock, well, a rock hit me about a month ago, and you can probably see the crack right here all the way up. When it hit me, actually it hit down here underneath the wiper, so I didn't actually see it hit the glass. I just heard it. But yeah, I kind of knew it was gonna happen. I tried to avoid the situation. It was on a freeway and a dump truck was not in the correct lane. He was in the passing lane and blocking traffic, and there was nowhere for me to be except for behind him, and I couldn't slow down because of traffic behind me, and I got a rock. So anyways, for you guys out there that have the S550 Mustangs, if you've had your windshield replaced, were there any like known issues after install? Because I've never had a windshield that installs like this where it doesn't have the trim around here that covers the glass. I mean, I don't know how that affects anything. I'm not a glass expert or a body panel expert, but just curious on that. Also, after that, I'm actually going to go into the Ford dealer, knock on wood. I'm trying to get some stuff taken care of under warranty before my warranty expires, which is rapidly approaching. I know that I've seen on some of the forums, Mustang 6G, specifically the puddle lamps underneath the mirrors. The pony tends to get disfigured and distorted, and mine are at that point now. I've got 34,500 miles on my 17 Mustang GT Premium Performance Package. So that was one of the things. The other thing is, I don't know if you can see the door for the gas filler. It's really way off. It's misaligned. It wasn't that bad when I bought the car, but over time it's actually gradually, progressively moved backwards, I guess you could say, because you know how it opens from that area. And at the moment, it's not really rubbing, and that's only because whenever I noticed it was hitting, I actually took this and I kind of like forcibly pushed it back, kind of give it a little bit of space. But I'm gonna try to get them to fix that under warranty. Like I said, before my warranty expires, I feel like I deserve something out of the deal. Get something taken care of before I run out of warranty, probably in the next month or so, because I do commute in this car. Plus, it's a car that I use for everything pretty much. We use it every day, and gets a lot of miles. So anyways, almost out of warranty. I think there was one other thing I can't even remember off the top of my head. Oh yeah, this front light for the fog light. I know everybody says that the lights get moisture in them, condensation. So that's the front view of all the lights. But if you get closer here to this one, this fog lamp, it is always full of water, and if I wash the car, it actually fills up. I don't know if you probably can't see that down at the bottom, kind of vibrating, but there's water down in there. I don't feel any physical cracks on the outside of this, so I don't see how it could even fill up that fast, even if it had a small crack in the front. So anyways, yeah, that's it. So any guys that have any experience with those warranty issues with Ford, and then also having your windshield replaced, you got any info or just general comments you want to make about, that'd be cool, man. Anyways, that was a quick one, guys, and thanks for watching again, and we'll see you later.